guys, welcome back to The Lived Experience. My name is Senzi and on Instagram it's sens_m. Today I'll be throwing it back to the day that I got to shoot some dope content with Canon for CanonCollective, where I shared some tips and tricks on holiday and travel photography. If you haven't watched the previous travel log from Senegal, please go ahead and watch it and see how we got to that point. Basically, today's vlog is a behind the scenes. I'll be showing you guys what it's like to work with a brand like Canon, what set life looks like. We shot on location at Meraki Country Lodge in Lanseria. To be fair, it was more of an office than it was a getaway. And yeah, there's a lot involved in shooting content, lots of retakes. But all in all, I had a really good time. I'm going to show you guys the location. It was beautiful, it was lush, we had a good time. And everyone worked really well as a team. So I got to spend a night there just scoping everything so that I could get ready for the photos that I was going to take the following day on shoot day. So yeah guys, have fun, watch the behind the scenes, watch the walk through room tours of the place that we called our location and office, and let me know what you think. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. Please also comment, like and share this vlog, and there will be more in future. Thanks guys. I'm in a bit of a crazy room right now. There is camera equipment all over the place because they've been shooting the whole day. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a bit wild, but I am going to show you guys the property. And then, yeah, I'll do some behind the scenes. I am shooting for CanonCollective, and I'm going to be doing some tips and tricks on travel and holiday photography. So join me. Outside one of the rooms, just gonna give you guys a little tour. Let's do it. Done. Are you happy, Vimpy? Are you happy? Are you happy?
legend, actually. Anybody?
You guys are also amazing. We're all amazing. Hey guys, so this is the end. We're done shooting. It was a really enjoyable time working with the crew. Everyone was super encouraging, good at directing. Just packing up now. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was fun. I just wanted to say, if you guys are not already following the Canon RSA page on Instagram, please go ahead and do that. I will link them down below, as well as their Facebook page. They are always running amazing competitions and giving away some dope stuff, from lenses to camera bodies, a bunch of different things. So I would advise you guys to get on top of that and be a part of the Canon family. And then just thank you to Canon for sponsoring this video and the previous one. If you haven't watched it, go back and watch that Senegal travelogue. And yeah guys, if you aren't subscribed, please do the right thing. Please share this and please engage. Thank you.